I'm going to start by clearing everything out from underneath my sink and giving it a good scrub. It's always nice to get rid of some of those big, ugly, bulky containers and put them in something a little bit more nice. My sink is a corner sink, so that back area is always a space where things get kind of lost and stuck back there, so putting things in baskets kind of makes it so nothing can get back there where I can't see. I also got my Grove Collaborative order in the same time that I was filming this, so I was able to put some of those new cleaners in there and get rid of some of those empty bottles that were underneath the sink. I'll put a link below on how to make your own labels for your glass and plastic containers, just using packaging tape and your printer. I put the items that I reach for the most on the door underneath my sink. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell for future videos.